So here, yesterday, what I'm reading another book of Mohammed Yunus, the Three Zeros, and yesterday I was reading something really interesting when he talked about the importance of social business in the economical crisis, because he said in this new economy, because we are facing problems in a different way, we don't have the same challenges over the economical crisis. Now we are living an economical and health crisis along the world, and Ethiopia, for example, faced the war in 2020. Mm. So, in your experience, do you think a social business is more resilient than a traditional business in this kind of crisis because they are solving specific and basic needs of society?
That's a good question. Yeah, you are probably more resilient because you set up your business more efficiently. Because I can just tell from my own experience that I am trying to reach customers in Africa with an affordable biogas technology. Yeah, that means being based in Germany, I cannot set up a huge company with German employees. That would never pay off. That would never generate enough income to finance this. So you have to develop mechanisms to be very efficient. Yeah, this is now in my very special case. That means if your revenues go down, you're not so easily, you're not so easily falling or affected. So you are kind of more resilient, but I can also say that we had hardly any sales during the pandemic, simply because there was no, like the whole logistics systems crashed. Yeah, there was no transport, there was no shipping to Africa, but also people had no money, the uncertainty and all this. But yeah, being set up that way, it didn't harm us. But I don't know if this is an exception in the social business sphere because, as I said, many social businesses depend completely on external funding, and they are not at all social business, but they call themselves that. So you really have to look out for the real social businesses, and that's not so easy to recognize. Yeah.